Is it possible to get conversions within a month on e-commerce website through Google Ads? Yes, of course. We can get conversions within a matter of hours or minutes as soon as the ads are approved and you start to get clicks and visitors to your site. Yeah, absolutely. There's no hard and fast rule that you have to wait a month. Yes, you will get the customer acquisition at a higher price initially because the campaigns have not been optimized. So if your ROAS you're looking at is, let's say, 6x, initially you might get at 3x. And then as you keep on optimizing, cut out the wasted spend, the expensive bits in the campaign and the audiences, and you start optimizing it, then you start to go from 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 and reach your target ROAS, and then you start scaling it up.